Once again, I am here with you with the inner voice. You'll be wondering by hearing the word personal ethics. Yes, ethics has been forgotten word in the present society. People are worried about their survival and prepared to do anything for the survival. Who will think of finding the differences between vice and virtue, values, moral values, and also good and bad? Believe me, all these were foundation behavior of the individuals in olden days. Our culture and values are based on goodness, virtues, and morality. Then people were happy with less expectation, strong and healthy. Ethics started fading away by not fully using in these days, the present society. At present, survival to the fittest. This may be the temporary, which may lead to anger and anxiety. Once the purposes of life is fulfilled, this will raise, that means anger and anxiety. Dishonesty, lack of integrity, lack of faith, telling lies, illiteracy, negativity, not being loyal and so on are all called as unethical practices. Where an individual easily practice when he is selfish and lack of consciousness. There is no punishment in law for these actions. Unethical practices are not punished in the law. Please have this in mind. That is why we can see lot of immoral behavior in the society. Though our India is culture based, value based traditionally, but we are gradually changing our own self. But we will realize in the long run, the result of these may land up with the strain, stress, anxiety, fear, mental and physical illness, lack of interest in life, hatred, loneliness, and ultimately many of them or some of them will land up with suicide. So for the future and long sustainability, it is better to be ethical to certain level. The present society or the trend is not accepting this 100%. Ethics is not accepted 100%. At least to certain extent, you have to practice the personal ethics for self-growth and self-happiness. And the personal ethics stand as a foundation for all the activities by determining good or bad, wanted or unwanted. Friends, the foundation of personal ethics starts from family, friends, environment, culture, beliefs, time, individual, nature, norms, society, nation, and also the trend. And to my knowledge, all these are all value creation for the personal ethics. And any person with personal ethic will be calm, knowledgeable, understandable, healthy in emotions, and also with the body and mind, and value-based personality. You can see these when you compare the present trend to the old trend. In olden days, our ancestors and all our elders used to be value-based and also holding their personal ethics. Thereby, they were very happy in those days and they were immaterialistic. And now everything is changed because it may be the many reasons. Of course, we are going to discuss about it. The reason for these things, it is not the time now. And we have to discuss about the values, which is adding as a major contributor to the personal ethics. This will be discussed in the next meeting.